Okay. Okay. You're Dave Miller.
Yeah, I'm Republican.
Now, did your dad have this place before you moved in here?
Been here 60 years.
You were raised here. This is the home
Born
place.
here. My dad started.
And he was in the implement business too.
When he, 60 years ago. He
And how
started.
many tractors do you figure you got out there junked out?
I have no idea.
1,000?
Not that many.
100, 200.
500?
Couple hundred.
Couple hundred. That's an amazing collection. Amazing. Thank you, Dave.
You're welcome. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. The hell with mine. I didn't mean that.
Well, you said it.
I got in tighter than you think. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at all this shit.
Holy cow.
There's one of his wagons.
Now, I'm going to tell you, you're on video.
Oh, okay. I'll stop using the name.
Well, wait a minute. Let's get you a... Wait, hey, come here. Either stay close to me here or get a mic.
I'm just amazed. Look at the tools. And they've all been painted. And look, just look everywhere.
There's something to see everywhere you look. We're in, what are we? What town are we near?
B-Dot.
We're north of 96 or north of M Highway, aren't we? North of M Highway.
I wouldn't put too much in it.
We're in Missouri. Dave Miller's the proprietor here, and his dad did this as well as him. He's been here for over 60 years.
And his shotgun's always loaded. Look at the license.
Look at all the cedars, all the push cedars and the different cedars. Some of these are harness equipment.
Look over here. I mean, you just look. Look at the license tag.
What are these? These are all ice. Look at these. These are all ice tongs, a whole thing of them.
These are all off of steam tractors. Look, see all this stuff here? And see all the seats that's up there? Those are cast iron seats. They go all the way around the building. They're all different. Stoddard.
Oh, he's got them all around that top rung over there.
All the way
And he's got wrenches hanging from the joist. Oh my goodness.
Look over on this wall. You've got the same thing going down there.
Well, I'm working my way around here a
look.
little bit at a time, just a little bit at a time.
Shoot, there's too much to take in. Look at all the implements hanging from the ceiling.
Holy cow. And look at all those display cases over there. There's 7 of them right there, just full, chock-a-block with the wrenches and stuff. And here's your old thrashing machine here, one of the original combines. Right here.
Look at this.
An old co-op.
It's a cock shit.
A cock shut. There you go.
They made a lot of old.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Here's a farm mall. We've seen a few of these, but I've never seen a cock shut.
Well, look, just look on back.
Here's a farm mall 3. Is that a 300 or a 380? 300. Okay. Yeah.
And here's a Super C. They're just, oh my.
Okay, here. I'm going to show you these. There's the pedals and the handles. There's so much stuff here. I'm nervous. It just makes me nervous, all this stuff. I'm afraid I'll miss something.
You may never get it out of hand.
My goodness. Stretchers. There are your fence stretcher, wire stretchers right there. Huh. And there's your old license plates. 2 panels full of them. Oh my goodness.
Well, look at this.
There it is. Now that looks like, but that's not the one they're talking about.
Oh, no.
The one they're talking about, they're remodeling is over at the other place.
Stagecoaches. They're gonna run it in the parade.
Sold by D.C. Stuckey, Carl Junction, Missouri.
And it just goes on and on. There's airplane propeller. BB guns, lunch buckets.
BB guns, what the?
See over here, the daisies?
Oh yeah, up there, sure. What are those there, all O-rings or something? And what are those
Oh, I
things
think
there?
They come off of harnesses. Buckles.
Oh, off of leather work for your harnesses. There's the metal, okay.
Look at the Hames, or whatever you call those.
Wait, I want to see, what's this thing here? Can't even tell what that is. What are these things here, Larry?
I think those are corn shellers. See, if you put it on your hand and
Oh, that's right, it's got a knife hook to it and
yeah,
holds the knife for you and,
you shuck corn with it.
yeah, okay, sure. I think I've actually seen one in operation. These are all farmalls right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 farmalls right there.
Look at this.
And here's number 8,
Look over there. Look at
John Deere. There's a couple old John Deeres right there. My goodness.
And look at the Barbar collection. There's so much to see in here. And there's some more hay. Look at all the harness work up here.
See, Larry knew about this before. He had seen this or been up. How many years ago were you here?
Long time ago.
When there's some people missing that used to live here that are gone dead.
Look at the buggy.
But,
Surrey with no fringe on top.
well, there's a guitar.
Yeah, sure enough.
But I got a feeling that they didn't throw much away around here.
They repurposed.
All harnesses there.
Look at the Barbar.
And there's
What a
your,
Barbar collection now. This is Barbar. My goodness. Gee, man, Christmas, you just look at it. Now this is one that ain't been restored.
wait, here's an old, this is one of those 8 ends or 9 ends, something like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
And then
Great.
here's a buggy.
Yeah. It had something written on here at one time, but I can't make it out. Just can't make it out. And look at the tires on that one, Dave. The steel wheels.
Here's the steel wheel. Yeah, that's. Well, what's wrong? Why ain't you got a steam tractor in here? Huh?
Over there.
Must have missed that one.
There, I remember these. There's a guy who used to plow gardens with one of these. Little Alice Chalmers.
Oh, it's a rear engine.
Yeah. Look up here. Here's another buggy. That's something? Jimmy, Christmas.
Now we're making a circle. I think by the time we make it around this place, that'll pretty much do it.
Take care of your barn. Here you go.
Now what are you looking at?
These harness Hanes came from harnesses owned by Morris Miller. Harnesses was used on a team he raised from colts named Dolly and Rowdy. Look at the size of those horseshoes. Jeez, big.
Them some big draft horses there.
Oh boy.
Yeah, there's some big draft horses
Big.
there.
Clydesdales.
There's a pump and da-da-da. Okay, let's go right up this way and see what else we're gonna see. Holy cow. See here, this seat on this here.
There's a spoke maker. And 12 speed. And more wagon wheels. And I don't know what those things, they break those over horses. I don't know if they kept the horse flies off of them.
What, are you talking about that round thing with the handles on the outside there?
This thing with the, looks like twine hanging down from it.
Oh, that thing there. What,
Yeah.
what would it do?
I think they hung them over their horses to keep the flies from bothering them. But I'm sure someone will tell us what they are.
He's talking about on the other side of that board, on the other side of that truss,
Yep.
there's a thing hanging down. There's stuff everywhere. He's got it hanging from every place in the building. Here's an old Willie's. Willie.
Hey,
Look at that there. There's a Willie's right there. It says Willie's on it.
yeah, but that's not real old. Here.
And that's old enough for me. I'm not as old as you
This is
are.
cast iron.
Hey, that is cool.
Everything's cool. I mean, there's stuff in here that.
Well, this is as matches the other side. They've got another one just like that.
Look
I
at
thought
the-
it'd been the
look at
other
the
side.
iron.
Right across the other post is another one.
Look at the iron pots and pans.
Oh, there we go. Huh.
And they go all the way across. My goodness.
There's a little water thing, hold a cast. And then there's a toy car up there. And
Buggy seats and lanterns, and here's a buggy seat. Peter Shuttler.
where's the buggy seat?
Right up above.
It has words on it?
Yeah,
Let's see here.
right there. Peter Shuttler.
I don't. Oh, there it is, right there. I have a hard
You
time
couldn't
keeping.
see that, huh?
No, I have a hard time keeping up with you.
Oh. My. You don't know how lucky
There's
we
that
are?
Thrasher there again, and that.
Look back over there. Just what a panorama.
That is it. Look at the buggies and old tractors. Oh, I don't care. I like that Willie's Jeep.
Yeah, Lonnie Wilson used to sell a lot of them.
Yeah, we used to be Jeep Central over there in Weir with Lonnie. He made it all happen. Let's look at the dashboard on this thing. Look at this. There you go. Oh, this may not have been WW2, but it wasn't long after it. It's got a lot more gauges and stuff I've seen in some of those basic models. Huh.
There's a lot of stuff that they dress their horses up with that hung over them. See all the circles? And there's some more of that frilly stuff. I think it was for flies. I'm sure somebody will tell us.
Well, that'd be good in the comments if we hear more about what this stuff is than we know, because we don't know. Well, I know you know.
Yeah, I know everything.
That's right. I forgot. But
I just don't want to tell you.
well, you tell me when you're in a good mood,
Yeah,
but then you get pissed off at me and you don't tell me nothing. You don't appreciate nothing.
you won't have no flats with these.
No, you won't.
Hey, look at the front wheels too. Now, that might be kind of hard to steer. You know that? I could see if you
Yeah, it might have a mind of its own. Might it?
look like this lifter, oh my.
McCormick.
All the salt ran out and it's eating the wheels up.
Why say? We're almost there, Larry. We're almost there.
Well, I hope he's taking it slow so we can look at them later.
Well, we did 14 minutes so far.
Well, we got to worry about the battery.
No, I got it plugged in.
Oh, okay.
I got the battery in my pocket. Oh, this is right inside the front door here. There's a bunch of blades put into a, isn't that pretty?
And look at that seat. That's cast iron.
Here's a display of some of the different kind of link chains they use for power. These look like power change. Wow. And these are augers. Now, what would they do with that auger?
Well, if it was in a coal mine, I know what they'd do.
Oh, it'd be hooked to another one. It could go pretty deep then, some of those.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to let you go now. Here it is.
Take a lap.
Miller Implement out here on M Highway. There's a sign for Miller Implement down there. You come north off M Highway. We're out east of 171, west of 43. I can't tell you much more than that right now.
It's not open to the public.
No, this is not a public place. This is, Dave Miller lives here, and this is his collection. Miller Implement. And we'll end with this right here. Thank you very much. Wait, I'm gonna go outside. Oh, I got a picture I can put onto the outside. Okay, this is a 26 International, and this has a chain drive. And this has got a winch on it here. This is a big old winch. And it's a chain drive. Look at that there. Yeah. That's a 26. And he says this one over here, this 495 Scout International, he says that's a new one. So he don't know what year it is. He don't care. It's too new. Okay, thank you. Bye.
You don't pay no attention to me. Look at the old wagons in there.
Where are you looking in? Oh, in the, yeah, look at, there's a bunch of stuff in there. Holy cow. Out. He told us we could come in here. So.
Look back, all the way back.
We tried to pin him down on how many he had here, and I said 1,000. He said no, not that many, but he's got at least. He settled on 200, didn't he?
Yep,
Got about a couple hundred tractors. No, it's all right.
Give you an idea what the hell's back here. Gee, like Christmas.
Unbelievable. So much stuff. He kept it mowed down.
It's organized confusion.
Oh, there's an old wagon. Wait, what's that? That's an old Ford wagon.
We'll get it on the way back.
Okay, we'll get it on the way back. And now we got the thrashers. Holy cow. Right out here to the wheat field here. This goes way back. Oh my goodness.
Be a big auction here one of these days.
You think? I guess people paid for it. You think it'll be a 2-day auction?
2 weeks, maybe. It'll take 2 weeks to dig it out of here. You want to go on
Yeah,
around?
go on around. Go on around.
Well, forget about
Wait, hold on right here. Hold on right here. No, I can't see much up that way anyway. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, we're in the back 40 now.
Drill rig.
Yeah, it is. Huh. All right. I think you're all right here. Take this road here. Yeah, I think we're all right. There's a Thrasher.
Look at the hay rigs. So
Well, this looks more like a junkyard.
this is not a junkyard. This is a treasure trove.
Hold it right here. Let me see if I can get a picture. Just a shot. All these tractors down here. Well, I missed a few, but that'll be all right. I think we got enough to kind of give an idea of what's here. Holy cow. Here, right there. Right there. Look at that there. Look at that.
What a treasure trove.
That's it.
Ah, it's great. Yes, it is.
And then there's more across the street. Is that enough or what? We're gonna. Okay, I think that's enough of this.
Pass one right now.